Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 3D printer in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional maker, choosing the right 3D printer can make a huge difference in print quality and speed. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026 based on performance, features, build quality, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now let's jump right into the list. Number 1. Creality K1C 3D Printer. Starting our list at number 1, we have the Creality K1C, one of the fastest and most advanced 3D printers available in 2026. This printer offers ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, which significantly reduces printing time without sacrificing quality. It also features automatic bed leveling, making setup quick and hassle-free. One standout feature is the AI camera, which allows real-time monitoring and can detect printing errors automatically. The direct drive extruder supports high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing you to print with advanced materials like carbon fiber filaments. Additionally, the clog-free extruder design and silent mode ensure smooth and quiet operation. Pros: extremely fast 600 millimeters per second printing, AI camera monitoring, supports carbon fiber filaments, reliable clog-free extruder. Overall, the Creality K1C is a powerful choice for users who want speed, precision, and advanced features. Number 2. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. At number 2, we have the QIDI Q1 Pro, a professional-grade 3D printer built for high-performance printing. It also supports 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing and comes with fully automatic bed leveling, making it easy to achieve perfect first layers every time. The printer features a heated chamber up to 60 degrees Celsius and a high-temperature nozzle reaching 350 degrees Celsius, which allows printing with engineering-grade materials like carbon fiber and high-performance filaments. It also includes a built-in camera for monitoring prints and tangle detection, which pauses printing if filament issues occur. The large print area of 9.65 by 9.65 by 9.45 inches gives you plenty of room for larger projects. Pros: professional-level printing performance, heated chamber for advanced materials, camera monitoring and filament detection, high 350 degrees Celsius nozzle. The QIDI Q1 Pro is ideal for serious creators and professionals who need high reliability and material compatibility. Number 3. Creality K2SE 3D Printer. Coming in at number 3 is the Creality K2SE, a versatile 3D printer designed for fast and flexible printing. This printer supports printing speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, allowing users to produce models quickly while maintaining excellent quality. The direct drive extruder improves filament control and accuracy, especially when printing flexible materials. It also features auto leveling, making the setup process easier. Another highlight is its multi-color printing capability when paired with the Creality CFS system, which allows you to create colorful and detailed prints. With a solid metal frame and quick swap nozzle, the printer offers durability and easy maintenance. Pros: fast 500 millimeters per second printing, multi-color printing support, durable metal build, easy nozzle replacement. Overall, the Creality K2SE is a great option for makers who want speed, durability, and creative flexibility. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. At number 4, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a powerful and user-friendly 3D printer designed for reliable everyday printing. It features fully automatic bed leveling, which helps beginners get perfect prints without complicated setup. The printer supports high-speed printing up to 600 millimeters per second and uses a CoreXY all-metal structure, which improves precision and stability during operation.
The 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder allows printing with multiple filament types, while the 3-second detachable nozzle makes maintenance quick and simple. With a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter print volume, it offers enough room for most home and hobby projects. Pros: very fast printing speed, strong CoreXY structure, fully automatic leveling, easy maintenance system. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is perfect for users who want speed and simplicity in a reliable machine. Number 5. Entina Tina 2 Plus Smart 3D Printer. Finally, at number 5, we have the Entina Tina 2 Plus, a compact and beginner-friendly 3D printer. This printer comes fully assembled, which means you can start printing right out of the box. It also includes automatic bed leveling and a PEI magnetic build plate that helps prints stick better and removes them easily. With Wi-Fi connectivity, users can send prints directly from their devices, making it very convenient for beginners or students. Although its printing speed of 250 millimeters per second is slower compared to professional models, it still provides high-precision printing for small projects. Its compact design makes it ideal for home, school, or desktop use. Pros: fully assembled and beginner-friendly, Wi-Fi connectivity, compact and portable design, easy print removal. The Entina Tina 2 Plus is a great starter printer for kids, students, and beginners entering the world of 3D printing. So, that was our list of the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026. If you want the best overall performance, the Creality K1C is an excellent choice. For professional material printing, the QIDI Q1 Pro is a fantastic option. And if you're a beginner, the Entina Tina 2 Plus is a simple and affordable way to get started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.